Giving your users or customers a better experience always starts with a clean, organized, and informative dashboard. If you imagine something like this, or even that, aBlocks covers everything for you. Creating an intuitive front-end dashboard with fully dynamic data is no longer a complex task. Now, let's experience the aBlocks front-end dashboard and implement yours. First, make sure you've installed and activated aBlocks on your WordPress website. Then, ensure the front-end dashboard blocks are also activated from the aBlocks blocks list panel by toggling them on. Now let's create a new page to place the dashboard. Give it a name and add a container where the dashboard blocks will be placed. Now it's time to add our most awaited front-end dashboard block by searching for it. Wow, it's added. And yes, it looks blank, right? No worries. Publish the page to continue forward. Next, let's go back to the aBlocks dashboard and navigate to the Front-End Dashboard tab. Select the page we created earlier as your base front-end dashboard. Click to add route. This can be a single link or a page. Give it a label, customize the slug, and even choose an icon for each route. After creating a route, you'll see two routes. Route, the default route, and the one you just added. Each time you add a route, aBlocks automatically creates a page for it. Let's add more routes as needed. You can also add subroutes in the same way. And arranging them is super easy. Just drag to reorder. Later on, you can update labels or anything else if needed. Now, the most important part, adding content to our dashboard. Click Add Content for each route. Here, you can add any dynamic or static content with full design flexibility, thanks to aBlocks. Let's start by adding a container. Then adding a header, a paragraph or description for the dashboard, and even an image. I designed a basic dashboard as a reference. You can make your own design however you like. Nice, right? Save the changes. And remember, aBlocks Frontend supports fully dynamic data for any element you need. Now let's go back to the dashboard page. It's almost done. Set the root page as the active dashboard page by editing the page. Now, let's add dynamic content to our dashboard. We will display WooCommerce products and order tracking here. Make sure you have the WooCommerce plugin installed to do this. To add this, we will use shortcodes. Go to the WooCommerce documentation page to find the shortcodes we need. Copy the ones you want to use, then return to your page. Add a shortcode block and paste the shortcode. Hit save and preview the page. Now we can see our products displayed dynamically. Next, let's add dynamic order tracking in the sidebar. Go to aBlocks Settings, then Frontend Dashboard, and add a new route with the label Order Tracking. Rearrange it as needed. Add content by taking a container, then add a shortcode block and paste the order tracking shortcode. Save the update and preview the page. We will now see dynamic data coming directly from WooCommerce. Now let's focus on designing our dashboard. Reopen your My Dashboard page and select the front-end blocks. The control panel will appear on the right side. First, set the sidebar background color. Then customize the header color. Adjust the typography if needed. Change the menu item color and set a hover color. Set the active menu style. Similarly, you can tweak the content area colors and styles as well as the breadcrumbs. Finally, save the changes to apply them. Let's take a look at our final dashboard. Nice, right? This is just a reference. You can create a more dynamic dashboard with complete flexibility and incredible design possibilities using aBlocks. Thank you for your attention. Now let's move forward and try it yourself.